People always ask me why my bathroom smells so good. So here's the secret. That's right, everyone. After this tip, you'll never have to spend money to keep your bathroom fresh and clean. Here's what you need to do. You're gonna need 1 bar of soap like this one. You can use any soap you have at home, all right? Now, using a grater, go ahead and grate bars very finely. Once that's done, we're gonna need a little bit of disinfectant or any floor freshener you may have. We're gonna add just 8 ounces for this go ahead and pour it over the greatest soap. All right, next we're gonna hit everything over low hit, okay folks? Then stir until all the soap is melted. Check this out, folks. When all the soap is melted like this, you can already turn off the hit. All right, next, take a container, a baking sheet if possible, and line it with parchment paper. Then go ahead and pour a mixture in. And now let's just let it set. Here I'm going to leave it at room temperature. But if you want to speed up the process, you can leave it in the refrigerator. So let's leave it here, then I'll show you. All right, after some time, folks, it's gonna look like this. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? It also has a very nice texture. Here it took only 2 hours to set. It's really quick. All right, once that's done, just take a knife. You can measure a bell your fingers or so and then cut it like this. After this, just cut in the opposite direction. And now, folks, just see how wonderful it looks. That's pretty cool, right? And if you didn't understand it yet, this is an excellent homemade toilet tablet. All of this using just 2 ingredients. See how many we can make, and made a lot tablets. And now, to store them, just take a piece of parchment paper and wrap them for everyday use it. And now, to use it, folks, it's quite simple. So they'll be wrapped in parchment paper, right? But first, make sure your toilet bowl is dry. Okay, this inner part needs to be dry. Then just go ahead and stick it to the toilet bowl like this. Press it a little bit so it sticks well. And then you can remove the parchment paper. And see how nice it looks. You can easily make and use it at home. Now every time you flush, a little bit of the soap and disinfectant fragrance will be released, keeping your toilet bowl clean and, most importantly, super fragrant. So there you have it. Give it a try home. I'm sure you're going to like the result very much.